Hi, this is Oscar and Teresa. We're here at the property. We're brand new at building, but we decided that we're going to try and build our house and our shed here on this property this spring and summer. And right now we're at the point where we're about to start digging the foundation. So we're going to stake out the perimeter, and we're probably going to dig about 4 inches deep. And the foundation itself will have a small reinforcement, metal reinforcement in the middle to prevent cracking, and so that eventually maybe if we wanted to put a car or something inside, we could do it. And also, we just got a delivery of CR6 asphalt, so we can start making our driveway. Sent us 16 tons. We actually ordered 14 tons and paid for 14 tons, so that was nice. But it ended up still not being enough, so parts of it were actually thicker than we anticipated because it went down into a little ditch. So on the right side, it's a little wet still, it's drying out. Hopefully that'll resolve itself. But over here, it's actually a really nice driveway, totally usable, and lets us get onto the property with basically zero issues. So for the amount of money we spent, it actually seems to work fairly well. And in the future, of course, we can always expand it, make it thicker, improve it with either asphalt or concrete, but we don't have to go there yet. All right. As you can see, we've got a 12 by 16 beautiful foundation, partially digged out most of the way. I'd say 95%. It's 12 by 16. We're trying to go 4 inches deep on the slab, so we're below 4 inches digging here for the most part. We've got a couple of areas, high spots that we're going to knock down. Then we're going to smooth it out, level it with some sort of base material, and we'll form it up, and soon hopefully we'll actually start pouring cement. So finally, we've gotten the forms done for the foundation. We had to think a little bit on our feet and use some scraps to plug in some of the holes because we're using recycled fencing material. So luckily it's going to save us some money down the road, and everything looks to be level and 4 inches, at least 4 inches deep at this point. We're going to clean up the perimeter perhaps after the pour. At this point we're just going to rake the foundation's bottom surface, and then we're just going to go ahead and mix cement and pour next time on Build Your Base. So welcome back. So we were planning on doing all the cement work ourselves, but we were trying to calculate the cost, and it started coming out into the $400 plus area. So we sent out a couple of quotes, and we actually had a truck come in and pour the cement. So that's what we ended up doing. So you know, for 4-inch slab, it just ended up being a lot of work, and the quotes were competitive enough, so we ended up just going that way. But yeah, this is how it turned out, and we think it looks pretty good. It's ready to go ahead and start framing, so we're going to start framing soon.